I hope you don't mind. I brought face mask. So you take one. Take one. Yeah. Yeah, try it on. Yeah.
Two, pwede two.
Okay. I cannot remember how many days ago that I did the intro for this Tondo Manila walking tour, but in that time frame I've tried to convince friends to come with me to do the tour together, in which most of them said no. I even tried to do a collaboration and it didn't work out, and also most of the time I was the one checking out. But as I'm counting down my last days before leaving the Philippines, I feel like this urge to just do this vlog, and that is why I'll be finally heading off to Tondo, Manila today. 58, 60, 62, 64. So these are all of the face masks that I'm taking with me to Tondo, Manila. 82 of them, and this is just to give to some of the people there. I really don't know how I'm gonna start it, but hopefully I'll get some courage to be able to do it. And those fabrics, most of them, I have cotton linen. This is cotton linen, so they're all made from good fabrics, you know, and they can always reuse it. They can wash it again, they can use it as multiple times as possible. This did not cost me anything. I am a design student here, so I have a lot of fabric, a lot of them, and over the years that I've been studying here, I've collected fabrics, and so I just thought it would be nice to make a mask out of them and give it to the people in Tondo, Manila. Hi, good morning. One.
Give me one.
Give me one.
Yan, sabi ko sila ng tama.
One.
Thank you very much. Turn me before there.
Okay. There's so many kids here. Okay, thank you. But it's still big. Face mask. Okay. Thank you.
Mga putang ina.
Huwag naman yun.
Ano ba to? Ano? Ito yung kaya ate ganyan. Nung gago pares na siya ni ate. Wait lang! Ano ko?
Ayan,
ano ang wifi?
One for every
wifi.
merong ano. Thank you.
May what? Ano?
Ate, where's yours? Okay. You. Baby, you. Okay. Sure. For the two of you. Kuya. Face mask. Yeah. Face mask.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you have it. Okay. Here. 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 Yeah. Hold on. Wait, am I giving you? Okay. Face mask. 2. 1. 1.
Wala.
1. You! I've given you! 1, baby! Kuya, I've given it to you! I've given it to you! You! Baby! 1 more. Yeah, you!
Give me 2.
You! 1 for everybody! 1 for everybody! 1, ate! 1. 1. 1. 1.
Thank you.
1 more. Hi. I'm giving you. Here. Here, Kuya.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Here. Where? I'm giving you. Okay. Kuya. Thank you. Good morning.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi. Good morning. Face mask.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Hi, Kuya. Good morning.
I love you.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi. One. One. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Face mask.
Face mask. Face mask. Yeah.
Initaw ko po.
Okay for her. Huh? I wish I had made for babies.
Ito, babies.
Yeah.
Ate, isa pa. May baby lang.
Ah,
May isa pa raw.
Yeah, baby.
this is the last one. So I'm gonna give it to you guys. Hi.
Dami.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. Alright, that's the end. I still have two more. Yeah. And the last one goes to you. Yeah. Alright. That's the end of the face mask. Okay, now Kia, take me. Where do you want to take me to?
Doon. Alam na yata niya, babaan yan eh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Go home now?
No.
Oh, no.
Yeah, go.
Ikot.
Yeah.
Wala mo na siya, samaan. Oh.
Hi, good morning. Good morning. Oh, I can kind of like see,
There are many people here.
yeah, Manila from here. Good morning. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hi. Hello. Good morning.
Hi.
Registration. Hi. Hello. Hi, Ate. Good morning. Morning. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Nigeria. Yeah. Are you okay?
No.
Yeah. Around. Is this the end?
No. No.
Oh yeah, I want to go around.
Yeah.
In circle. Thank you. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. There's a dog.
I see.
Oh! There's a dog! There's a dog somewhere! Good morning. This way. Oh, lots of dogs here.
Hi, friends.
Hi, Kuya. Good morning. Hi, you guys are playing card game.
Yes.
Libangan.
How do you play?
Casino.
Casino?
Where your country, ma'am?
Nigeria.
Nigeria, yes.
Yeah,
My
Africa.
friends, Nigeria.
Yeah. Have fun.
Yes.
Okay.
It's looking for.
Okay.
This is my house.
Oh, this is your house. Oh, wow. Oh, I mean, I know that this place used to be a garbage dump for
Yes.
years. When did the government clean it up?
Tutang is tatanggalin na kasi ito eh.
I should go in. All right.
Yeah. Isa.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Di ba?
Yeah. The fan is like. Oh, where do I sit? Thank you for inviting me to your beautiful home. So for years, this place used to be where a lot of trash were dumped, and then as it gained popularity for being like, you know, for being the slum that it is, then the government decided to clear it up. But I never got to see that part of so here.
Hi.
Good morning.
My auntie.
Oh, hi. See a lot of potato farming here. Thank you. The height of what used to be the waste area. Wow. So you get
Look around.
ah,
It's a view.
yeah, beautiful view. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so many here. And okay, feels good already. We're going down right now. Bye, Kuya Michael. Bye bye. I mean, when you Google Tondo, Manila, especially Smoky Mountain, the picture of what it used to be. Kuya, wait. The picture of what I see now, what I'm experiencing right now, is totally different from what was online, which is compared to like the waste and the dump and the trash everywhere. Now it's all greenery. Now it's all nature. Now it's all, you know, small houses with pathways. Even planted water leaf, which is also like what we used to eat back home. Like here. I see cassava plants. I see potato, lots of potatoes. It's a drastic change from what it used to be before. Hi, good morning.
Hello.
Hi, good morning. Hi. Hi. Good afternoon to you too. I can see the to-go seaport from here. Bye bye. So Kuya just finished touring me, taking me back out again. So this is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.